Hey guys, this is Jan from Serendipity Soul Fluid Art, and I'm just quickly going to try to make a thank you video to my dear sweet friend Doris Ford and to her friend and painting buddy Joe Patty. Both have YouTube channels and both are fluid and acrylic and resin artists. And I want to give credit where credit is due. I've won some paintings and purchased some paintings from Doris, and also won some things from her. And then they included from Doris's auction some gifts from Joe Patty, including these gorgeous handmade earrings. Look at these. I absolutely love these, Joe Patty. They're beautiful. And to let you know, I'm going to be sharing these with my daughter-in-law, my sister, my mom, my granddaughter Taylor, and myself. So thank you so much for all of these beautiful earrings. These are going to be gorgeous at Christmas. These are sterling silver earrings from her Seneca jewelry that she makes and sells. Look at these. These are adorable. Taylor's going to love these. And my mother will flip over these. She wears a lot of black and copper and rust colors. She'll really like these. And probably one pair of these. I got two sets of this, so I'm going to keep one of these. Give my mother the other one. And my daughter-in-law, who wears a lot of silver, would really love these. But aren't those gorgeous? Thank you so much, Joe Patty. And thank you also for the resin magnets. You guys, look at the bling on these. So cute. So cute. My granddaughters will love these on the refrigerator. They love to play with magnets. And crazily enough, let me show you. I have these up here for my granddaughter. This is my little baby, Lydia Grace's artwork. And she likes to come and play with the fish magnets. So we now can add more fish magnets to her little art area there. Thank you, Joe Patty. Those are gorgeous. Now to get to the work. I think this is the gallery wrapped canvas that I bought. I feel it, the heaviness of the weight of it. So without further ado, let's open this up and see what we've got. Oh, the colors. Oh, the colors. Oh my goodness. Anybody want a banana? Oh my gosh. Doris, this is gorgeous. Look at this Fiona flower. It's the next best thing to have in a Fiona, but honestly, this color palette is gorgeous. Doris, you don't give yourself enough credit for your talent. Sister, this is beautiful. Look at the details on this flower. Well, this is going to be hanging on my Doris Ford art wall that is in my little art sanctuary. I can't call it a studio. It's one of the spare bedrooms that was my son's before he got married and moved out, but I've kind of taken the space over and I'm using it to create in when I feel up to it. Hopefully I can get back to fluid pouring myself. I've just been doing watercolors and doodles, but you guys, this is absolutely gorgeous. And of course, y'all know Doris is famous, world famous, for making her own packages and boxes out of foam board that protect the artwork. Of course, she wraps them as well, and then I think she start charging people for packing tape on the boxes that she makes because she packages them very well. Oh, I know what this one is. This is the one my mom fell in love with when we were watching one of her weekend pours together. This is the one that my mom literally said, this is what she imagines heaven must look like. Holy cow. Look at this. It's like, oh my gosh, it's like a galaxy warp or something. Look at the shimmer of the colors and the details in this. These little dots and bubbles that came up on this just give it such an ethereal feel. Let me prop it up. Wow. Sorry, you guys. I'm doing this in my kitchen because I just don't have the space in my little art room right now. Doris, this is stunning. 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 I know exactly where this is going to go in my mom's house. And I promise I will take pictures when I get it hung for her. She's going to love it. She's going to love it. I think my favorite parts are these gorgeous metallic-y looking little clouds. I swear it looks like it looks like a peacock feather amidst the heavens or something. So pretty, Doris. I love it. All right, let me set that one aside. You guys, I thought Doris, I thought I only had 5 paintings coming. Why do I have 6 boxes? I don't know. Okay, let's see what we got here. Oh, this is the heart painting that I won in her auction. Yay! Oh, my Lanta. Doris Ford, that is gorgeous. Can you guys see this? Look at the details. Wow, wow, wow. I feel like I'm overusing that expletive, but sorry, not sorry. This is absolutely gorgeous. Look at the shimmer details in this painting, you guys. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Photos and videos did not do this painting justice. I love the depth in the middle of this and the details. Oh, this is going to go in my art room. I know exactly where I'm putting this. Next to my green and gold pour by the Massey Boys. Cannot wait. Cannot wait. That's gorgeous. Okay, what do I have here? 14 by 14. Okay. By the way, I save every one of Doris's boxes because they're like perfection. Oh my gosh, this is the other Fiona flower. Oh, look at this. Oh my gosh, Doris, this is so beautiful. You guys, look at the details on this piece of art. It's so shimmery and so shiny and glossy. The camera just doesn't do it justice. Look at that. Doris, I'm going to go broke. Gonna go broke buying your art, but that's okay. I love it. And I love having it on my walls to keep encouraging and inspiring me because you truly are a sweet, dear friend, and you are a very encouraging and inspiring artist. That's number 4. Look at this. Boxes on boxes. Down to the last 2. Okay, let's see what this is. I think this is, oh, it is. It's my mother's birthday painting that she made for my mom. Oh, my Lanta. Oh, Doris, look at that. This is her Zal-inspired artwork. If you haven't seen the artwork that Zal is doing on YouTube and Instagram, you really need to go check it out. Doris has been working on a bunch of these. Oh my gosh. Doris, your photos of this didn't do it justice. I'm not sure how I like the orientation of this the best, but wow. Wow. Look at what the catalyst does amidst these colors. Look at the shimmer on this baby. Do you see what I see? It's a bird in flight, you guys. This is what made me fall in love with this painting because my mother loves birds. Look at the wings. This is the body. This is the body, the beak, the little eye. One wing here, one wing here, the feet, and the tail feathers. I'm flipping speechless, and that doesn't happen very often, Doris. Wow. Oh, wow. This is so pretty. My mom's going to love this, Doris. Thank you so much. And I think Doris said she was going, yes, Doris inscribed to the back. Of course, she signs her arts, but she says, to Mama T. Doris Ford, 2021, happy birthday. My mom's going to cry, Doris. My mom's going to cry. And you never know. I'll probably cry with her. Thank you, sweetie. And now, I thought that was all that I had, but maybe I'm wrong. But let's see what's in this one. Cheryl, what have you done? Oh, you guys, I'm so blessed. This art community is so kind and so sweet and so caring. Cheryl, I don't know what this painting is. I suspect I know what it is. But thank you so much. For you all that don't know, Cheryl Walworth Duran is one of Doris's and lots of other people's moderators in their YouTube lives. And she's an amazing human. I get texts from her all the time checking on me and my husband. Cheryl, thank you for your kindness. I don't know how I'll repay it, but I will find a way. I appreciate that. And Doris, you are sneaky. You are sneaky. You didn't say a word about this. Oh, my friend. I am blessed. God is good. And oh my gosh, I am so blessed. Look at this. Look at these. Cheryl, you know me so well. These are gorgeous colors. Look at this beautiful piece of art. Now tell me that's not awe-inspiring. Look at the cells and the way the colors play with each other in this. Oh my gosh. Look at the details, you guys. So beautiful. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It's delicate and earthy, but it's also sort of, anybody that knows me knows that like elements are what I really love. Earth, water, fire, rain, wind, the changing of the seasons. These color palettes are just gorgeous. Wow. I can't stop looking at it. It's beautiful. Thank you so much, Cheryl and Doris. I appreciate you more than you'll ever know. Oh my goodness. Well, that one kind of got me in the heartstrings. I knew the other ones were coming, but thank you for your blessings, my friends. Let me just end this by saying to anyone that's a part of this Facebook community and a part of the YouTube art community, never give up on your dreams. Keep fighting, keep pushing. Make friends that support you and enrich you and empower you and lift you up and make you smile. Those are important things in today's world, and it's been a tough year and a half, 2 years for a lot of us in a lot of different ways. But people like you all make the bad days better. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys. I'm going to go hang my beautiful artwork, and then I'm also going to wrap up and put the paintings for my mom up for her birthday. Doris, she's going to love them. But thank you for my gifts. Thank you for all my beautiful earrings. Thank you for all my gorgeous art. But most of all, thank you guys for being my friends. I love you. Bye for now.